What's up, guys? Welcome to video number 17. This is very helpful and useful chess video for all my viewers, so don't miss it. So guys, let's start the game. This game starts with king pawn, opening pawn e4, e5, knight f6, knight c6, and pawn c3. This opening name is Ponziani opening. The idea for white is to grab the center after pushing d4. Black's popular moves at this time are knight to f6, pawn to d5, or bishop to c5. Fast, let's look at knight to f6. It's called the Danish counter gambit. Idea to attack for e4 center pawn. We continue with pawn to d4. This threatens black e5 center pawn. And now black has three options. He can take on e4, or he can capture this pawn, or even he can try to defense this pawn with something like d6. If he capture with the knight, then you can surprise your partner. I have shown this chapter in my video number 15. Of course, it was very important. Everyone is requested to check the video number 15. Don't worry, video number 15 will be shown at the end of this video. Watch it from there. So going back, today I discuss if he plays the pawn d6. Okay, good. We can play the pawn d5, attacking this knight. Black's best move is knight e7. Now here you can play bishop g5, attacking this f6 knight. If your opponent is greedy and he takes our e4 pawn for free, then he will lose his knight because we have queen a4. It's a check. At the same time attacking this greedy knight, black blocks this check. Then we can simply take this knight. I'm sorry guys, going back and see what we do if he takes our pawn. Then we push this pawn forward to threat on the knight. If he tries to pin our pawn by his queen, then you can easily occupy the center. Going back, and if he plays differently, move this knight to the d5 square. Then you attack this knight by playing queen b3. The knight moved, and you recaptured the center pawn. Okay guys, ending the video here today. Of course, let me know how you liked the video. But definitely watch the video number 15 and 16, because all important techniques are given in video no 15 and 16. Stay healthy everyone always. See you in my next video. Please subscribe to the small channel and make it bigger. Ta-da and bye-bye.